strengthening exercise for the lower body. It is very essential for building strength to become capable of doing a pistol leg squat or a single leg squat. So this is a supported single leg squat which builds more strength in your each leg, so that you are capable of later on doing the pistol leg squat. For this exercise, take the support of any platform close to you. You can have a chair, you can have a table, a pillar or anything. For this, you raise one leg and go down. As you go down, you rest your buttocks on that support and slowly come up. Again go down, come up. So this is supported single leg squat. Relax, change your leg. It can be done on a step, it can be done on a wall, wherein you can rest your buttocks. So as you become comfortable, confident and more strengthened doing this, then you can think of gradually shifting over to the pistol leg squat. This can also be done with the help of taking support sideways. Stand with the support. Now with this support, try to do the single leg squat. So this is the second way of doing a supported single leg squat. So there are two different ways of doing supported single leg squat.